this thing. Out of focus. You see that? You can barely see it. Can you see it? It's just right below the lights. Right down here. Look close. You see it moving? One could say that the sky has fallen. I've only seen and heard about stuff like this in horror movies and video games of the like. But this just... This is just creepy, man. I mean, look. That liquor store across this lot is starting to get covered in a very thick haze. I cannot even get a decent focus on anything. The rainbows on everything are getting more and more intense. Even the branding of some of the backlight of the signs are getting crazy. And from here, zooming in, you can barely make out those red lights outside Walmart. Yeah, the visibility has just gotten limited. But this is one of those things that should be able to clear up soon. I see this a lot of the time, usually before sunrise, near a river. But it's about 1:45 in the morning. Actually, I think it's... Hold on, let me double check. Oh, 2:45 in the morning. And the place looks like the intro to a grisly horror film. It's been a while since I filmed something like this, let alone seen it. Well, it's actually the first I filmed of something like this and sharing it. Last time I saw a fog like this was before COVID hit hard. This is just creepy, man. You see that? That's crazy. One thing is for certain, maybe it's just me, but how is this phenomenon possible? And it's chilling the air too. Some people would probably take that as a good thing, but this is freaky. No, this camera imaging doesn't do it justice. You'd have to see something like this with your own eyes. I thought there was a fire nearby. But oh my God, look at this. Now it's so thick you can't see those red lights over there anymore. That is just crazy. Oh yeah. This may not be lightning, but this is one for the books. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you can see the light beams, whether you're in or out of focus, but oh man, visibility is getting shorter down this way. I can only see anything at about 100 meters. Let's look back this way. Man, it's getting worse. But man, this is crazy. Like I stated before, how is this phenomenon even possible? But man, a night like tonight, it's really putting a chill in the air. I knew that the humidity was high, but this is ridiculous. It's getting thicker out here. Look at that. This fog is so thick, you can see light sources from maybe about 100 meters away. But other than that, can't really see anything else. I mean, look at this. This is in a parking lot. Man, I can't see clear across this lot, let alone halfway. There. Yeah. You see that? This is crazy. I guess Halloween comes a little early this year. Wow. I caught a few vids out here for lightning, but this... Wow. Now, you only see it in the horror movies. Hey.